Everybody knows, so it doesn't matter. As long as I don't complain to her.
Okay, first of all, we are just gonna watch the weirdos just fight. Just act
The weirdo, yeah.
just one, two. Alright, ready?
Face! Face! What's it called? What's her full name? Face what?
Yeah, Mom told you just face.
Face. Dawn!
Nope. Nope. Weirdos, I tell ya. Really, really big weirdos.
Oh, and...
Ow!
Hey. Show them the line trick.
Okay, stop. Stop.
Zach is gonna do
Here's
a
the
live.
funniest spider.
Check this out.
Great.
Wait, hold on.
Check that out.
Yeah.
Oh wait, it just minimized. Anyway, I am either going to make the flame levitate or Twilight Zone. Watch and learn. Now, how awesome am I? And now the flame's levitating.
Head Jim.
You're watching.
Stupid.
No, don't do that.
That's it for today.
Today.
For the awesomeness. Still recording. Look, it's still just minimized.
I want to make my gum hot.
See?
Light the gum. I want to make it hot.
Okay. First of all,
I want to make the gum hot.
Hey, don't mess up my video.
okay.
Don't mess up my video.
First of all, he's not magic. Second of all, he is weird. Third
Because
of all,
I'm magical.
third of all, you're like,
I'm watching myself on camera.
third of all, this person's out of the camera, and my little sister and him must fight. Watch, they'll say hi.
Hello.
Don't move.
Hello.
Okay. That's all for today. Goodbye.
Stop recording. I want to show them the Nissan barrel.
What?
Are you?
Quit then.
Okay, you can show him. It's not stopped recording. It's not stopped recording, dummy. Here's the dummy. Here's the dummy.
Hola. How are you doing today? How are you doing?
Okay.
Move. I gotta say something. Move.
Fine.
Move, Zach. Sit down.
Don't worry
Well,
about
you're
that.
squishing me.
Oh,
Scoot over
so
a
y'all
little
should
bit.
keep on fighting this thing from going on.
Scoot over a little bit, Destiny. No, it's gonna make me get up. Scoot over a little bit.
Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye. For the fifth reason, I think he's go in the head. Just go in the head.
No.
I already did.